Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to source for all things tech. Today, we have something that's going to light up your world. The Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 Memory Kit. But before we dive into the details, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Prepare to illuminate your PC and elevate your performance with the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 Memory Kit. This memory kit isn't just about blazing speeds. It's also a visual masterpiece with RGB lighting that's out of this world. Let's talk lighting first. With 10 individually addressable, ultra-bright RGB LEDs per module, you're in for a treat. Your PC will come alive with vibrant, animated lighting that you can customize to your heart's content. Hey there! And the best part? You're in control. Corsair's iCUE software lets you choose from dozens of preset lighting profiles or create your very own. It's like having a canvas for your creativity right inside your PC. Hey there! Worried about compatibility? Don't be! These modules are just 44mm tall, making them perfect for a wide range of air coolers, including the Corsair A500. You get style and substance in one sleek package. But let's not forget the performance. These modules are optimized for maximum bandwidth and tight response times. They're like the speed demons of DDR4 memory, ready to handle whatever you throw at them. And if you're thinking, do I need to tinker with BIOS settings? No. Thanks to Intel XMP 2.0 support, a single BIOS setting is all you need for peak performance. Now, here's where it gets even cooler. These modules play well with others. With Corsair iCUE, you can synchronize the lighting with other Corsair RGB products like coolers, keyboards, and fans. Your entire setup can dance to the same RGB beat. Oh, and before I forget, these modules come with a solid aluminum heat spreader. Not only does it look sleek, but it also keeps your memory cool, even when you're pushing it to the limits with overclocking. That's a wrap on the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 Memory Kit. It's the perfect blend of style, speed, and synchronization. If you're ready to take your PC's aesthetics and performance to the next level, this kit is a must-have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Product Critique, signing off. Stay illuminated.